Today I'm going to be talking about the LITS Lagrangian Ice Tracking System website here at NSIDC. Let's start with the top toolbar here. Click on the Help button. This web page is basically just telling you the functionalities of the website, kind of what we're doing on this video, just in a web page. If you click on Examples with Interpretation, it gives you case studies with commentary, so just examples with explanations of basically the practical uses of this website. Time loops with age maps. This will redirect you to a page that allows you to make looping images of sea ice age from a period of time that you can define up here on year 1 and year 2. Let's get into the actual website here. So if you click on the image here, you'll get a green track. This is showing you the sea ice motion over the period of time that you define. You can define that period of time up here at this slider, so you can either click and drag these little bars right here. You can click plus year, minus year, or you can manually enter. So let's do 2001 to 2002, and then click on the image, and you'll get a track for that period of time. But here on the right, you see 2 plots. You can actually define what parameters you want plotted on the side here, right here, so depth or concentration. You can click on the plots and it'll actually bring up all the parameters. So you have speed of the ice, age, righting air, upping air of that track, righting ice, upping ice of the track, bathymetry of the track, and daily average temperature of the track. Down here you have air motion vectors and ice motion vectors, and you can click here to save all the plots, or it will also save the picture of the tracks to your computer as well. Let's go to the side toolbar here where we have all these buttons, so you can define the lat lon, or you can see the lat lon of where you clicked. If you zoom in, your track will disappear, but if you click on previous tracks, it'll bring them back up. Clear tracks clears the tracks. Let's see here, let's reset this. Reset will give you the original image, so let's click here on Lagrangian. So these will give you a different kind of track. Lagrangian, and if you click the question mark here, it'll kind of give you a deeper explanation of what that actually is. Concentration, beginning and end, so click beginning here, and it'll give you the sea ice concentration for the beginning of your timestamp or the end of your timestamp. And this kind of will help you figure out a better place to kind of pick your tracks, where you want to start your tracks at. Draw age here, we'll draw the age. That's not working right now, so I won't show you that. Draw vectors will give you the ice motion vectors for that instant. So these aren't averages, they're instantaneous. So reset is reset, reset the zoom. So here we have a zoom function. You can scroll to zoom like that, or click reset zoom, and you can manually enter. So 3, shift click, that isn't working right now, but you can usually shift click and it will center to wherever you clicked. Click model here will give your last track a different color, so you can kind of differentiate between different flows if that's what you want to do. Down here we have download data and download vectors. Those will come in Excel formats. And click up here at the top of the page, you can click south or north. It'll just change the poles. So here we have Antarctica, and that will give you all the same functionalities as the Arctic. And at the bottom of the web page here, we have different web pages from NSIDC, so you can compare sea ice maps. You can find our ice motion vector reference here. You can see the sea ice age here. We have frequently asked questions page and the problems. So if you click this, if you have any issues, click this, and you can email us your issues. And yep, that's our website for Lagrangian ice tracking. Thanks for watching.